convert key1, val1, key2, val2 to a dict? Let's say I have a list A in Python whose entries conveniently map to a dictionary. Each even element represents the key to the dictionary, and the following odd element is the value. For example, and I'd like to convert it to a dictionary B, where? What is the syntactically cleanest way to accomplish this?
If A is large, you will probably want to do something like the following, which doesn't make any temporary lists like the above. In Python 3 you could also use a dict comprehension, but ironically I think the simplest way to do it will be with range and len, which would normally be a code smell. So the iter/isip method is still probably the most Pythonic in Python 3, although as EOL notes in a comment, zip is already lazy in Python 3 so you don't need isip. In Python 3.8 and later you can write this on one line using the walrus operator, column equals. Otherwise you'd need to use a semicolon to get it on one line.
Simple answer. Another option, courtesy of Alex Martelli, source. Related note. If you have this, and you want this, each element of the list keying a given value, 2 in this case, you can use
You can use a dict comprehension for this pretty easily. This is equivalent to the for loop below.
Something I find pretty cool, which is that if your list is only 2 items long, remember, dict accepts any iterable containing an iterable where each item in the iterable must itself be an iterable with exactly 2 objects.
If you want to solve these questions